Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Install Rainmeter and choose a skin designed for interactive widgets, then run the installer as administrator so system hooks work. Once done, add a small helper utility that lets Rainmeter render on the lock screen. This bridges the desktop-only limitation. Make sure to create a dedicated skin folder and export or back up your current layout before editing, because you'll be swapping files and testing system security settings as you proceed. Next, configure the skin and supporting service so Rainmeter can display while locked. Open the skin INI and enable Always on Top, set update interval, and add mouse over action handlers for clicks. Then install and grant the helper service the rights it needs, and configure it to start with Windows so the lock screen can call the skin renderer. Once configured, lock your screen in a non-critical account, and test behavior to confirm the skin appears and responds as expected without exposing sensitive controls. Finally, finalize settings and secure the setup. Lock and unlock several times to verify persistence and enable auto-reload after sleep or resume so the skin returns reliably. Make sure interactive elements only show safe information and avoid actions like system shutdowns or file access. If something goes wrong, check the helper service permissions, Rainmeter logs, and Windows Event Viewer. Then revert to your backup skin files and reapply changes incrementally so you can pinpoint the failure and restore a working state quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.